The Kingdom Blueprint, from vision to victory. The future you envision is not a dream. It is a divine assignment awaiting your command. This is not merely about ambition. It is about activation. The hour demands more than aspiration. It demands execution. You are called to build, to lead, to transform, not just for profit, but for purpose. The kingdom is not coming. It is here, and you are its appointed steward. Your marketplace is your mission field, and your enterprise, a vessel for divine impact. It is time to step into the fullness of your kingdom authority. Many pursue hustle, a relentless grind fueled by human effort. But for the kingdom entrepreneur, execution is not hustle. It is obedience. It is the tangible manifestation of a divine directive. Your vision is not just a good idea. It is a prophetic download, a blueprint from the heavens. Consider this. You are already in the warehouse. Not a physical building, but a spiritual storehouse overflowing with the resources, connections, and wisdom necessary for your assignment. Every promise, every provision, every strategic insight you need is already allocated. The challenge is not acquisition, it is activation. It is moving from passive reception to active deployment. Your obedience in execution unlocks the gates of this warehouse, releasing kingdom wealth into your sphere of influence. This wealth is not just financial, it is relational, intellectual, and spiritual. When you execute, you are not just building a business, you are building a legacy. You are not just solving a problem, you are demonstrating divine solutions. This is the profound difference between worldly ambition and kingdom assignment. Your actions become a testament to a higher power at work. Obedience without strategy can lead to wasted effort. Kingdom execution demands strategic deployment. This means discerning the divine timing, identifying the critical path, and allocating your resources with precision. It is about working smarter, not just harder, guided by spiritual intelligence. Every decision, every partnership, every product launch must be weighed against its kingdom impact. Is it aligned with your prophetic mandate? Does it serve a higher purpose beyond mere profit? This strategic lens transforms your operations from transactional to transformational. Develop a robust framework for your vision. Break down the grand design into actionable steps. Identify your key performance indicators, not just in revenue, but in impact, influence, and spiritual return on investment. This is how you build enduring enterprises that resonate with eternal significance. Your strategy is not just a business plan, it is a battle plan. It outlines how you will advance the kingdom in your domain. It requires prayerful consideration, expert counsel, and unwavering faith. This is the art of kingdom building, where every brick laid is a step of faith. The time for hesitation is over. The world awaits the manifestation of the sons and daughters of God. Your divine assignment is not a future possibility. It is a present imperative. It is time to activate. This activation begins with a renewed commitment to your calling. Identify the one critical step you can take today to move your vision forward. It might be a conversation, a strategic pivot, or the launch of a new initiative. Do not underestimate the power of consistent, obedient action. Small steps, divinely guided, lead to monumental shifts. Embrace the prophetic edge that distinguishes your work. Speak life into your projects, declare breakthrough over your challenges, and operate from a position of victory. Your words carry creative power. Your faith moves mountains. This is the essence of activating your divine assignment. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. You are part of a global movement of marketplace believers, empowered to bring heaven to earth. Your success is not just for you, it is for the kingdom. Step into your power, activate your purpose, and claim your kingdom wealth. Subscribe for more Our Kingdom Hustle TV. Drop your takeaway in the comments and join the movement of marketplace believers executing with kingdom authority.